Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my Google Home. It's a smart speaker from Google. It's actually the first speaker released by Google. It is not available in Romania because most of the functions are not working, so that's why I have attached compatibility, because it came with UK or US socket. This is actually the adapter. In my country they do not tell you this thing, but because it has no functionality in Romania, that's why not every functionality in Romania is available. That's why they tell you that's why they attach you the adapter. As you can see on this side, you have some basic question which you can ask. Also, this is my second Google Home. As you can see, it works with Spotify. Spotify is verified, it works in Romania. Google Play Music doesn't work in Romania. You cannot upload your music to Google Play Music, so it's worthless. Philips Hue. On Spotify also you cannot use your personal playlist. Only after you subscribe you can use it. I did not verify Nest. YouTube works, but you need to have an Google Chromecast or a Chromecast available TV, because when you are playing, you are telling to play a song from YouTube and you don't have a Chromecast TV connected to your Google Home, it won't play. Google Photos did not test. Google Chromecast works because it works with Chromecast enabled TV. Wemo, I don't know what it is. And Netflix, I don't have subscription to Netflix because I don't usually like to watch TV. Here down at the base you have a small sticker which you can cut off, but I don't like to rip it. The second one is on the other side. After you take down the sticker, you can take up the base, so the Google logo is normally placed. I'll be putting a little bit back, so I'll just push up. Very nice packing. Okay, so this is the Google Home base. It has a removable mesh. You can customize your color, the base of the base. As you can see, these are not physically buttons. These are membranes, and this is the actual speaker. The membranes amplify very much the speed, the bass. I have Harman Kardon Onyx. It has two passive woofers. They make a lot of difference. And this, I think, is the micro USB for service. Actually, this is magnetic, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the base is actually magnetic. Here you are plugging in the power cord. Here on top are the Google mics, which are very well tuned because they work from the distance. In the back you have the Google logo. You have a notification if it is on or off. And here is the mute button if you want your privacy. And here on top are the touch space when you can where you can play or pause the music, and you can make the volume up or down. Putting the base aside, next in the box we have the nice stand of the Google. Okay, here is some paperwork. I cannot show you how to synchronize the Google Home currently with my Android device because I have only one Android phone on me, and I cannot film it. So this is the power brick. If I'm not mistaken, it's 16.5 volts, 2 amps. With a nice hinge. I will plug the device. So this is everything that's in the box. I will plug the device to the power source so you can see what is happening on its top end, but I will not be able to configure it. So first I need to plug in my adapter, or so-called adapter. It doesn't even fit vertically. That's the quality of this shitty adapter I got. I don't know if its value more than 10 cents maybe. So I have plugged in the power brick. I'm getting the adapter here. It comes very handy. I've plugged in the power cord, and as you can see, the white LEDs have turned on. The device is booting up, and after the device is booted up, my Google Home account, which is installed on my phone.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, and so this is the startup. This is how you turn up or down the volume. So this is how it gets into connect mode, and you need to download the Google Home app. After that, everything is intuitive. You will must set up your voice recognition, so it only will respond to your voice. And after that, you can link various accounts to your Google Home. I've bought Philips Hue, the color ones, because they work flawless with the Google Home. But first I have tested with my Google Chromecast from my TV, and I've tested with my TP-Link HS110. It's a smart plug with energy consumption measurements, and they work flawless. So thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.